Welcome. Let's walk through how OAuth 2.0 enables secure delegated access step by step. The resource owner or user navigates to the client application, that is any third-party app, and triggers a flow that requires access to protected resources. The user is given the option to choose an authorization server, like Google, Microsoft, etc. The user selects the provider they trust. The application redirects the user to the authorization endpoint of the selected server with the following parameters. Redirect URL, where to send the response. Response type as code, requesting an authorization code. Scope as profile requesting access to basic profile information. Client ID, the app's registered ID with the server. The authorization server prompts the user to log in using their credentials, like Google Login. Once authenticated, the server shows a consent screen listing the permissions being requested, such as access to the user's profile or email. If the user grants consent, the authorization server redirects the user back to the provided redirect URL and sends an authorization code in the URL. Application exchanges code for tokens. The application sends a POST request to the authorization server's token endpoint, including the authorization code, redirect URL, its client ID, and client secret. In response, it receives an access token used to access resources. Optionally, a refresh token to renew the access token without user interaction. The application now uses the access token in the authorization header, usually as bearer token, for each API request to access the user's data.